Oh, we're gonna inspect the vehicle through our little sight window. Let's see. There's the headlight. There's where the grill was. Let's pan out a little bit. Whoa! And it looks like whatever they hit kissed the radiator too. It went mwah. But you know what? It's not leaking. And we have our new part right there. Let's hope it's the right one. Well, looky, I got hooky. They came with brand new brackets and brand new rubber isolators. Made my job a little bit easier. I wouldn't have taken the old ones off the old one in hopes to reuse them because I don't have to. Very good. Well, very good. The thing damn near fell in. It's in the grommets on the bottom. We got one down there, one down there. Now we just have to install the brackets for the upper grommets right there. Then we got to change our O-rings on the lines, mount them up, and then perform a vac and recharge. And hopefully, just hopefully, the AC system doesn't find the next weakest link in the system, because this condenser is brand new and it shouldn't leak. Well, alright guys, we filled the AC up. We recovered the lines because I'm not a Goomba and I'm not going to return the machine with the lines under pressure. And we're going to test the AC output, but I didn't even notice this, guys. Look at this very, very special custom brake line. At least they tried to go in the factory bending. It's not bad. It goes all the way down. Probably goes out to the back, giggity. They didn't want to replace this guy here, so I put a little bit of FIPG in both holes just so we don't have an air leak right there. So yeah, let's see how the AC system is. Let's see if it's blowing cold or if it's not blowing at all. Yes, that's a giggity. Well, things have escalated with the Honda. They have escalated. They have escalated to the point where I needed to do that to get the freaking compressor out. There's no room on the bottom to get it out. There's no room on the side, even though it looks like there's room, but we can't get that out that way. I had to take the freaking radiator out to get it out this way. And the reason why is the car was trying to turn the compressor on. The vehicle had a full charge, and unfortunately the compressor wasn't coming on. So we disconnected the switch, making sure we were getting power, getting sent to it, and we were. The RPMs kicked up, the AC fan turned on, so I know for a fact the car was trying. But the compressor is guts. So, yeah, and we had to figure that out by fixing the giant hole in the AC condenser. And then charge the system and test it, and it didn't work. So, yeah. Well, alright, we got the new compressor in. 2 new O-rings. Put some new hardware in there as well. We got the radiator in and mounted up here and here. Now we're going to put the AC fan in. Then we're going to put the upper member back in, attach the hood latch, install the harness, make our hose connections to the radiator, make our hose connections to the transmission cooler. Then we got the coolant temp sensor right here. We also got to plug in the AC compressor. And what else? Oh yeah, we got to fill it with coolant again. Oh, I love my job so much, I decided to do it twice. Well, alright guys, everything is in. We are running, we're bleeding the cooling system again. We have our temperature probe set in one of the vents. Let's turn on that air conditioner, let's see what happens. Hopefully, just hopefully, we'll hear that compressor kick in. Compressor kicked on. This is ambient temp. and this is what's coming from the probe. I have the AC set to max AC, and the blower motor is on 1, speed 1, the lowest setting. Because the faster the air moves, the warmer it can get. And already that's good. We know that's good because it's going down, and the fact that the system is actually working and turning on, and there's no freaking hole in the condenser. It's not frowning anymore. "37 degrees, that's pretty cold. 32 is freezing. That's a cold ass honky." Very good, guys, very good. And I don't know if you guys could see it. There's our compressor down there. We're good. Now, we'll make sure the heat works. Well, compressor just kicked on. Very good. Fan kicked on. Double good. If you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.